Hi, Hunter. Hi.
Oh, oh! This is your first big boy bath. Hey, hey, hey.
And Connor's in here watching. Hi, Connor.
Oh.
The big brother.
Hold on.
Oh, we missed something. He must have fell.
He slipped and popped his head just a little. Not too bad.
Mama beats up our kids.
Yeah. Hunter, look at Daddy. Hi! Are you splashing?
Splish splash.
I need to put like a here. I think that's a zippy floor. Hunter, look at Daddy. Hunter, look at Daddy. Hi.
Hi.
He likes this.